Hello, my name is Spyridon Kavvadas. I am from Greece and I live in Germany for the last 4 years. Right now I live in the city of Stuttgart. I have a background in music, in fine arts and in the digital media industry. I decided to study computer science at 2004, and by the year 2009 I earned a bachelor's degree in computer science and business administration from the Anatolia College of Thessaloniki in Greece. At 2016 I moved in Germany, and from October 2020 until February 2021 I attended the WBS Coding School in Germany in the full stack development program. Today I will present you my final project for the WBS Coding School called the Coffee Fortune Teller. At this point I'd like to ask you, would you like to know your future? Would you like to know if you will get the job you applied for, a special someone loves you, or you will make it to be a web developer? So Coffee Fortune Teller is an app that emulates a real fortune teller. Technologies, I use it. In front end, I use it HTML, CSS, React, and Bootstrap. For database, I use it MongoDB. For backend, I use it Node.js and Express.js. And for deployment, I use it Heroku and GitHub Pages. So functionality. You can see here instructions, how to use it. You upload at least one photo of the coffee cup. Then you can enter name, birthday, gender, and status. And then by pressing this button, you get the oracle from the fortune teller. I will use some data from a friend of mine, the dear Italian actress Monica Bellucci. So I enter here the name, Monica. I enter the year of birth. As you probably know, Monica was born back in 1964 at September the 3rd. The gender is female and the status is divorced. And we need at least one photo of a coffee cup. This is good. And now we can have the oracle. Well, let's see. You had a difficult health problem in the near past, but now you are fine. That's great for Monica. Here, postpone any travel for the next month. Stay away from trains. Interesting. This is regarding travels. Another one. A static situation in your business makes you lose interest. Don't be afraid. Soon something will change. That is natural because probably of the situation with the COVID, the film industry is not really active. So the next one, a financial disaster is coming to you. Think again about your expenses and get them in equilibrium. That was a financial kind of oracle. The love of your life eventually turns into a toxic relationship. The exit is the only way to save yourself. Interesting. Some old disputes about family assets will come soon to a happy end. You will renew a strong family bond. Okay, that was the oracle, and now the user can send it in the Facebook or in other social media like Pinterest, Twitter, or just email it. Here is a feature that I use, that I working until now. It's not finished, and by pressing this speaker, you can you will be able to listen to the oracle teller to actually say the oracle. At this point, I'd like to talk to you about the algorithms that the application use in order to come up with results. The algorithm that right now the application uses is a simple algorithm, pretty much based on random picking according to categories such as travel, relationships, love, etc. The original idea is to use an algorithm based in image recognition. In this scenario, the application uses an image processing service as an API, like the Amazon recognition or the IBM Watson visual recognition or some other. In this scenario, the application uploads a cup image to the processing service, and the cup look like that. You can see the various patterns and signs inside the cup. Every single pattern and sign has a meaning. Let's say that the patterns are recognized and some keywords returned to the database. This could be the returned keywords. Then the database is something like that, where you have predictions and categories and at last keywords. The oracle could be like that. We have some predictions connected to keywords. The oracle could be something like that. Love is disguised most of the time, etc. You have an exciting journey ahead, and the presentation you look will come soon to an end. For summary, the Coffee Fortune Teller is a web and mobile app that tells the fortune for people who believe or not, and returns predictions like, I can foresee that the creator of the Coffee Fortune Teller will thank you soon. So thank you very much.